Hello everybody, getting ready to do Chapter 8 Review and Summary Part 2 today, Pre-Algebra Math. And on your classwork sheet you got 70 points. And we're about ready to do Chapter 2. So students, put your name, date, period here on your phone, your tablet, your Chromebook, your paper. Let's go right into today's first example here, example 8.3, using intercepts. Example, find the intercepts of the graph of 9x plus 3y equals 27. So to find the x-intercept, let y equal 0, so it's 3 times y, and solve for x. So in this case, 9x plus 3y equals 27. Then 9x plus 3 times 0 equals 27. Substitute 0 for y. So now we have 9x equals 27. So taking this a little bit further, this section here, we go x equals 3. So we divide each side by 9 and we get x equals 3. So once we know x equals 3, to find the y-intercept, let x equals 0 and solve for y. So here we are. Here to find the y-intercept, we let x equals 0. So 9x plus 3y equals 27. And now we're going to let x equals 0. So when we do that, we have 9 times 0 plus 3y equals 27. Substitute 0 for x. And when you have 3y equals 27, now our y equals 9. Divide each side by 3. So y equals 9. So we have x equals 3 and then y equals 9. So the intercept is, x-intercept is 3. And then the y-intercept is 9. So let's try another one up here on our guided. Find the intercepts of the equation's graph. So we have 20x plus 4y equals negative 20. So to find the intercepts there, we're going to let y equal 0 and then solve for x. So 20x equals negative 20. So x equals negative 1 is the x-intercept. And then for y, we're going to let x equal 0 and then solve for y. We got 4y equals negative 20. 4y equals negative 20, so y is negative 5. So there's our y-intercept right there. Here's the x-intercept, and then here is our y-intercept. So the x-intercept is negative 1, and the y-intercept is negative 5. Into our next section here on Chapter 8, Review and Summary, 8.4, the slope of a line. So find the slope of the line through the points negative 3, 6, and then negative 1, 2. So how do we do that? So first of all, m, which is slope, equals rise over run, which is rise is difference of y coordinates over the difference of x coordinates. So we have 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, and then negative 1 minus negative 3. And to find that out, we have negative 4, and then 1 plus, negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. So we have negative 4 over 2, which equals negative 2 for our slope. Okay, so find the slope here, and our guided up here, we have 3, 4, and 7, negative 12. To find the slope of the line through these given points here, what do? So we have m equals rise over run, difference of y over difference of x. So we have negative 12 minus 4, 7 minus 3. So we have negative 16 over 4, which is negative 4. So our slope is negative 4. Let's go to our next section here, 8.5, slope-intercept form. So identify the slope and y-intercept of the line 24x plus 4y equals 80. So 24x plus 4y equals 80. What we're going to do, we're going to solve for y. So we're going to move our 24x over here. We subtract 24x from each side. So now we have 4y equals negative 24x plus 80. Now we're going to divide through here by 4. Then divide through by 4. So we end up with y equals negative 6x plus 20. So here is our slope-intercept form of an equation. So the answer, the line has a slope of -6. Here's our slope here, and a y-intercept of +20. So -6 is our slope, and then +20 is our y-intercept. Let's try one now. In our guided practice, identify the slope and y-intercept of the line with a given equation. So what do we do up here? First, we're going to have to solve for y, so we're going to move our 2x over, right? So for here, we move our 2x over by subtracting 2x from each side. We have 3y equals -2x minus 6. We divide through by 3, and we have y equals -2/3 x minus 2. And then we basically, here is our y-intercept, and then here is our slope. So we have a slope of -2/3, and then a y-intercept of -2. There it is. And that's your lesson for today. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.